Hey, thanks for showing up. Today's the first step in our journey into the wonderful world of mycology. Yeah, that sounded pretty cheesy and it was a mouthful and I had to retake it like 3 times. Anyway, these are from Northspore. They are spray and grow kits. I've already taken the top off of this here. You just take it off the box. It's a little perforated. This is Golden Oyster Mushroom Kit. This one is the Blue Oyster Mushroom Kit. Look at that beautiful mycelium. Say it with me. Mycelium. And this one is lion's mane. I screwed that up. But all right, so we're going to see what we can do here. We have all of our equipment together here, laid out. We have 70% isopropyl alcohol. We've got ROD water, RODI water, because we're going to have to spray this a couple, 3 times a day. Keep everything nice and moist. In our tent right now, we're at about 50% humidity and it's 75 degrees. So as long as we keep that humidity up, we'll be good to go. I'm using a sterilized number 10 scalpel. So let's get the camera closer and let's go ahead and cut into these and go from there. All right, comes with nice instructions. Basically, it tells us to go ahead and open up these perforations, and then we're going to go ahead and take a sharp knife or a scalpel, and we're going to go ahead and cut an X into each one of these. So we're going to go ahead and take our 70% isopropyl alcohol, and we're going to go ahead and clean where we are going to cut. All right. We're going to go ahead and open up our sterilized scalpel. It's not sterilized. Yes, it's sterilized. Sanitized and sterilized are 2 different things. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and open this up, and this is already sterilized. We're going to go ahead and cut an X right into the bag, just like so. Now we're going to do that with the next one as well, but because I don't want to contaminate anything from this bag to this bag, we're going to go ahead and heat sterilize it. Without burning the plastic. We're going to go ahead and cut it again. Forgive me on these videos too. The videos will get better. I'm not real experienced at making these videos, but we will get better. Spray this. Heat this up again. Go ahead and cut these. Probably should have cooled that blade down. And then we're going to take our RODI water. We're going to go ahead and mist these down. And we're going to mist those down for 2 or 3 times a day. And we'll see what we got going on there. So until next time, we'll see how these go. I have a North Spore boomer bin that we're going to go ahead and get, that we're going to go ahead and take a look at. The boomer bin is pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and do a review on that. We'll go ahead and inoculate a grain bag with that as well. We'll get another video here in another week, and we'll see how these are coming along. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't. If watching me screw up all of this beautiful mushrooms, then go ahead and follow me. Follow me on my journey. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.